Winter Storm Fern is finally over, leaving behind a 2,000-mile trail of ice and record-breaking snow. While most people are breathing a sigh of relief, smart beginners in the real estate space are seeing dollar signs. Property managers are currently overwhelmed, and insurance adjusters are backlogged. This is your window to provide speed to service that big companies can't match. Here are 5 ways to make money right now. First, insurance documentation. With Fern causing an estimated $115 billion in economic losses, insurance claims are going to be a nightmare. Property managers need high-quality, time-stamped photos of their assets immediately after the thaw begins. Offer a post-Fern condition report. For $150 to $300 per site, you walk the perimeter, document roof damage, and check for exterior masonry cracks. You aren't the adjuster, you're the person providing the evidence they need to get paid. Second, compliance labor. In the rush to plow parking lots, heavy machinery often buries the most important parts of a building: fire hydrants and gas meters. In most cities, a buried hydrant is a massive daily fine for the landlord. Grab a shovel and a safety vest, charge a flat $75 fee to uncover and salt every hydrant and gas inlet. An HVAC intake on a property. It's hard work, but it's high margin because it solves a legal liability for the owner. Third, the gutter watch. As Fern's ice starts to melt today, ice dams are forming. When water can't get off the roof, it goes into the building. Beginners can offer drainage monitoring. You don't even need to get on the roof. Just use a telescoping pole with a camera or a drone to check if the scuppers are clear. If you spot a blockage, you just save the owner a $20,000 interior flood, and you can charge a premium for that early bird alert. Fourth, interior damp checks. Retailers and office tenants are moving back into their spaces today. Small leaks from Fern's weather whiplash might not show up as a drip yet, but they'll show up as damp drywall or wet carpets. Buy a $40 moisture meter at the hardware store and offer tenant space audits. Walk the units and check near windows and under roof seams. Finding a leak in the first 24 hours prevents mold, making you a hero to the property manager. And finally, fifth, the salt strip. Fern brought massive amounts of salt and brine into commercial lobbies. That salt will permanently ruin marble and expensive wood flooring if it sits for more than 48 hours. Most janitorial crews are already maxed out. If you have a shop vac and the right neutralizer solution, you can pick up emergency floor resets for a small bouquet office or retail shops the big cleaning companies are ignoring. The Fern window is only open for about 72 hours. Once the snow is totally gone, the opportunity is gone. Get out there, be professional, and solve a problem.